Welcome back to Auto Craze, your number one source for all things unique, innovative, and thrilling on wheels. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss out on the latest machines, whether they roll on 2 wheels, 3, or even something in between. Today, we're diving into a revolutionary new creation in the RV and camping world, is something that's small in size but massive in character. Yes, we're talking about the 2025 Tricycle RV Camper. A machine that's redefining what it means to hit the road with freedom, comfort, and unmatched style. Imagine these as you're cruising along a winding road, the wind brushing past your helmet, the open road ahead, and behind you, your compact little home tagging along like a loyal companion. This isn't just a bike. It's not just a camper either. It's both. The 2025 Tricycle RV Camper is a brilliant blend of adventure and minimalism, aimed squarely at people who want to live large without going big. This new camper is built on a tricycle platform, meaning it comes with 3 wheels, which gives it that extra bit of stability compared to your average motorcycle. Unlike traditional RVs, this one doesn't take up half your driveway or require a truck license. It's nimble, light, and incredibly efficient. The idea is simply freedom shouldn't come with baggage. And this Trike Camper embodies that philosophy down to the very last bolt. Let's start with the design. One look at the 2025 Tricycle RV Camper and you know it's not trying to copy anything else out there. It has its own unique vibe, part futuristic, part retro, but 100% practical. Its compact frame looks sleek on the road, yet it's engineered to carry everything you need for a life on the move. The aerodynamic front end hints at the bike DNA, while the rear pod of your actual camper unit is shaped to cut through wind while maintaining structural integrity. It's robust but not overbearing. The structure is built using lightweight but highly durable materials, like aircraft-grade aluminum and composite panels. These materials give the camper its strength while keeping the overall weight down. That means better fuel economy, less wear on the engine, and a smoother ride overall. Whether you're cruising down the highway or maneuvering through a tight forest trail, this thing handles with confidence. Speaking of power, the 2025 model doesn't disappoint. Under the hood, well, more like under the seat, you'll find a highly efficient powertrain. It's powered by a hybrid engine that balances gasoline and electric power seamlessly. On urban roads, you can switch to electric mode and enjoy a quiet, emission-free ride. When you're out in the wild and need more range, the gasoline engine kicks in and gets the job done. This dual power setup isn't just about saving the planet, it's about giving you the flexibility to go where you want, when you want, without constantly looking for the next fuel stop. Now, when it comes to control, this Trike Camper gives you a confident ride thanks to its 3-wheel configuration. That extra rear wheel adds stability, especially when cornering or riding on uneven terrain. Combine that with a low center of gravity, and you've got a machine that's surprisingly nimble, despite carrying a full camper pod. It's this balance between size, stability, and maneuverability that makes the 2025 Tricycle RV Camper such a standout. The suspension system is another high point. It features an independent suspension on each wheel, which absorbs shocks and provides a smooth, steady ride no matter the terrain. Whether you're gliding over paved roads or bouncing along gravel trails, the Trike maintains excellent comfort and control. You don't feel every bump, and that's a huge plus for long-distance travel. As for the exterior features, this is where things get even more interesting. The camper pod at the back is not just for show. It's packed with features to support off-grid travel. There's an integrated solar panel system on the roof, which powers your electronics and lighting without needing a generator. The side of the camper has fold-out awnings to provide shade during sunny days, and there are smart storage compartments cleverly built into the body for tools, supplies, and even your cooking gear. The rear hatch opens up to reveal a mini outdoor workstation. Whether you need to prep food, fix gear, or just have a place to set up your camping stove, It's all right there. Everything about the exterior has been designed to maximize utility without adding unnecessary bulk. You'll also find hookups for water and power, should you park somewhere with utilities available. But thanks to the onboard battery and solar systems, you can stay off-grid for days at a time. Safety is another major focus for the 2025 Tricycle RV Camper. It comes equipped with a full suite of safety features that rival even some compact cars. Anti-lock brakes, traction control, and even adaptive headlights that move with your steering to illuminate curves ahead. There's also a rear-view camera and blind spot monitoring, giving you extra confidence when navigating tight spots or reversing into a camping space. On the technology side, this camper is smart. Very smart. It has a digital control hub mounted on the handlebars, allowing you to manage everything from battery levels to exterior lighting. There's also an app that pairs with the system, letting you control key functions remotely. Say you've stepped away for a hike and the weather turns, you can retract the awnings, shut down power, or activate your security system with a few taps on your phone. It's convenience like that which elevates this camper from cool to essential. Now let's talk about the rider experience. This isn't your average long-haul ride. The ergonomics are tailored for comfort. You've got an adjustable seat, handlebar controls that are within perfect reach, and built-in wind protection thanks to the wide front fairing. Long rides feel effortless, not exhausting. It's designed for people who genuinely love being on the road. And the sound, yes, even that has been tuned. In electric mode, the motor is whisper quiet, perfect for early morning starts and quiet campsites. But when the gas engine kicks in, you get a satisfying growl, and not too loud, but enough to remind you that this is still a powerful machine. It's got character. A voice. A presence that makes every ride feel like an event. Let's not forget the customization options. The 2025 Tricycle RV Camper can be personalized to fit your adventure style. Choose from different color schemes, wheel types, storage setups, and even graphics. Want a stealthy all-black camper for discreet off-grid travels? You got it. Prefer something bright and colorful to match your vibrant lifestyle? That's an option too. The point is, this Trike Camper becomes an extension of your identity on the road. Maintenance is also refreshingly simple. Thanks to its modular design, parts are easy to access, and routine upkeep can be handled by most DIY enthusiasts. And if you're not the wrench-turning type, most motorcycle shops will be able to handle the basics. That's a huge win in a world where RVs often require specialized and expensive mechanics. So, who is this camper really for? Well, if you're someone who's tired of the traditional RV scene with its bulk and limitations, this is for you. If you crave mobility, independence, and the ability to go where most vehicles can't, this is your ride. Whether you're a solo traveler, a digital nomad, or just someone looking for weekend escapes, the 2025 Tricycle RV Camper offers the perfect balance of freedom and function. It's not about luxury, it's about liberation. It's about seeing the world without barriers. You don't need a giant motorhome to chase sunsets. All you need is a reliable machine, a spark of adventure, and the will to ride. This camper lets you do just that while carrying your essentials, conserving resources, and keeping your carbon footprint light. As more people seek simpler lifestyles and closer connections with nature, machines like the 2025 Tricycle RV Camper will become more than just an alternative, they'll become the new norm. They make sense. They're affordable, efficient, and inspiring. And they prove that sometimes, less really is more. So next time you hear someone say you need a giant RV to live the dream, show them this. A sleek, smart, and gutsy little trike that's rewriting the rules of the road. The 2025 Tricycle RV Camper is more than just a vehicle, it's a movement on three wheels. Thanks for tuning into the channel. If you enjoyed this look into the future of travel, make sure to like the video, drop a comment below with your thoughts, and of course, subscribe if you haven't already. We've got plenty more game-changing machines coming your way, so stick around. Until next time, stay curious, ride safe, and never stop exploring.